Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Said he didn't even know about the alopecia thing, so that makes it even worse now. He thought this was just a style that she was doing with the whole like shaved head thing. So it was a joke that he could have. And like I saw people, I got into an argument with somebody on TikTok about this. Like they were like, oh, like for him to attack a black woman about her hairstyle when there's so many places in this country that you can get fired for your black hairstyle. And I was like, first of all, let's stop. When did bald heads become a exclusive black hairstyle?
Real. Let me tell you
like
something.
this, we have
if
tribes.
If you can pull off a bald head, you a sexy ass.
No,
okay?
but it's not that. But like, what does that have to do with like, specifically?
But look at Kim, right? If he would have said something like that with Kim, what do you think Kim would have done? She would have been like, yes, you know, like. I don't feel like there was disrespect in it, but I'm not going to.
Yeah, the joke was just like a haha, like, oh, you got a bald head.
Yeah.
It wasn't like, yeah, alopecia, bro. like, and it wasn't, and it definitely was not, haha, you got black people here joke. So I didn't really get how people took it to that extreme. Again, I felt like people were projecting their own like issues into that whole thing. But getting back to the story I was telling was like the problem that I had. Can
I ask you a question though?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. In that situation, right?
Yeah.
Do you feel it was all about protecting her, protecting your woman?
No, as I said,
you
at that point,
that there was something that you were like, wait, it's more. It was not. It was more.
Run the tape back. Yeah. I said it was about protecting her in a sense that like dude was persisting and I was trying to stop. I was trying to stop him, but I totally acknowledge that it had now become another issue altogether. An issue where he was disrespecting me as a man too, because I'm telling you, like, bro, I told you nicely, like, yo, chill, you know, it's my girl, bro, and you're kind of like, I guess metaphorically, like, kind of just mushing me to the side, like, step out my way, little brother, like, yo, let me, you know, like, so it's like now you're disrespecting me as a man, you know what I mean? Like, I don't care if you're Shaq, you're The Rock. If one of them dudes come try to talk to you and I'm like, yo, chill, bro, she's married or whatever, respect me as a man. It's not like, yo, I gotta be scared of this little 5'8" dude, 5'7" dude. Okay. Like, nah,
respect
bro.
Me as a man. Okay, so then that leads me into my next question is, just like black women need to be protected,
that might have been what that was
about. Does the black man need to be protected?
Of course, but
in that situation, do you feel that the black man wasn't being protected?
Yes. And it's not like I'm like, oh, this is all Jada's fault, right? But the situation
not
was...
the Jada, I'm talking about your story time. Do you feel like you weren't being protected?
But it's in the same manner, because the thing is, just like how what happened, your story, the thing is, when I flew off the handle, it was time for you now to go into like, yo, don't do that.
Yeah,
you're not thinking logically.
This can end up into being an arrest situation.
This is not the situation that you want to do.
So about the Will and Jada.
So the Will and Jada thing was...
I don't know what happened, but I'm going to tell you, in my nice pretty gown, I would have been on the floor pulling you back to come sit down.
I will defend her in the fact that I don't know if she knew when he got up that he was going to slap him.
What are you doing on the stage? Come here.
No, Lisa, you can't do that, because the thing is, in her defense, I don't think anyone in there knew that he was going to slap Chris Rock except Will Smith.
But it no matter what, you getting on stage is embarrassing.
Because the whole thing... but the whole thing was... Remember, he's already a public image. So I don't really know if it was going to be embarrassing, if it was just like a little like play around and try to... Because... Everybody, I remember when people thought
it could have been. You could have gone on stage and been like,
like remember when initially people were getting on Chris Rock like, oh, it's fake. Yo, who puts their hands behind their back to get slapped? And I was like, because he's not expecting.
And he was also kind of controlled.
I think he didn't expect that he was gonna slap him.
Oh, you mean like prior to? Yeah.
Like, so what happens is when he's walking up, you even hear Chris Rock say, here comes Richard joking around. So I think he thinks like Will Smith might do like something fake or like kind of joke around with him and like do like yo, you know, like something like that.
Yeah. I'm Muhammad Ali.
Yeah, like
you know?
do something like that. You know what I mean? Play around with him, and then he just like hauls off and like sucker slaps him, like which is probably the biggest punk move you can make. Like, dude is way smaller than you, and he's not expecting you. It's not like he knows you're coming up there to rough him up. So that whole thing was like that. I will defend her in the fact that I don't think she knew that was what he's gonna do, but her body language and her reaction to it happening showed me like it was more about like, I'm gonna stay poised.
Again, peace, love, and happiness.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.